Hello, welcome to today's Voice of Jiren. This is Ariel.
And this is Luke.
Luke, why do you keep biting your nails? Are you nervous?
Yeah, I am nervous about being on Voice of Jiren.
Well, you are only now. Put your step together.
I can't help it. What can I do?
Maybe you can try taking the nature pill.
A nature pill? No, I don't like pills. They taste yucky.
That's not an actual pill that you stink.
Then what is it?
Well, let's find out.
What?
No way!
Yes way! It's time for News for Kids. News for Kids.
真的假的？
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 原来如此，原来如此。
原来如此！
你不知道的趣味新鲜事。
ICRT's News for Kids.
Hi there. How do you feel today? I hope you feel well. But do you sometimes feel nervous? Do you have a lot of work to do in school? Do you have a test to study for? Are you worried about something? If you feel nervous, maybe you should take a nature pill. 如果觉得紧张，就吃一颗大自然的药丸。大自然的药丸是什么？ What is a nature pill? Is it some kind of medicine? No. A nature pill is a cute name for something that is not medicine. It's not a pill at all. Taking a nature pill means spending some time in nature to feel better. 吃 nature pill 就是要到外面去享受大自然。Do you feel happy when you go walking in the forest? 到森林走走会让你觉得快乐吗？ Well, that's like taking a nature pill. 这就是 taking a nature pill. Some scientists studied this. They asked people to take a nature pill 3 times a week. That means they spent time in nature 3 times a week. Each time, these people spent 10 minutes or more in nature. So, that is at least 30 minutes a week. 专家建议1个礼拜至少3次，每一次至少10分钟去接近大自然。Then, the scientists studied those people. They found something very interesting. They studied the chemicals in those people's bodies. When the scientists did that, they saw that those people were more relaxed. They didn't feel nervous. That proves nature helps people feel better. 专家发现，这样做的人不会感觉到那么紧张了。Scientists say you should spend at least 20 minutes in nature to feel relaxed. So, if you feel nervous, go outside and find some nature. It could be a forest, or a beach, or a lake, anywhere that makes you feel happy. Okay, I'm going to go take a nature pill right now. See you later.
I see, so you didn't want me to take medicine. You wanted me to spend time in nature.
Yeah, exactly. It is proof that nature can help people relax their mind and body.
I should try it sometime.
How about going for a walk with me in Dan Forest Park this Saturday?
It sounds great.
Okay, that's all for today's Voice of Jiren.
See you next time.
Bye bye.